Why do 85% of students struggle with metaphors? Let's make it simple. A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares two things without using like or as. Think of it as saying one thing as another to give a clearer picture. For example, time is a thief. It doesn't mean time wears a mask and steals your wallet. It means time passes quickly and can take moments away. Here's another one. The classroom was a zoo. We're not talking lions and tigers in school. It means the classroom was noisy and chaotic. So, next time you read, "Her smile was sunshine," remember, it's not about ultraviolet rays. It's about a warm, bright feeling. Classic literature is full of beautiful metaphors. Take Shakespeare's line, "Shall I compare thee to a summer's day?" It's not about the weather, it's about comparing someone to the beauty and warmth of summer. Or Emily Dickinson's "Hope is the thing with feathers." It's not about birds, it's about hope being light and uplifting. Keep an eye out for metaphors in your favorite books. They make reading so much richer. Happy reading, Metaphor Masters!